My name is Jo. I work for Ripples Bathrooms. I am the showroom manager at the Reigate branch. This year I have just been nominated for a KBB Designer Award. We design beautiful bespoke bathrooms for people across the country. We will always hand draw our designs so it gives people a real personal finish to their bathroom. We work closely with Bisque Radiators. They offer us so many different design solutions within the bathroom for radiators, colour options, stainless steel for wet rooms, and then more quirky designs for people looking for a bit more of a statement. Ripples chooses Bisque as their go-to radiator brand due to the quality and the options that it gives us within the design. So it helps us cater for all the clients that could walk through our door in terms of style and cost. So when choosing the perfect radiator, we always look at how many people firstly are going to be using the bathroom. We look at positioning of the radiators and we look at all the different styles with our customers. For 2018, we're seeing a trend towards industrial colours. We're looking at special finishes, for example, the volcanic chime radiator, stainless steels for wet rooms, really funky styles, for example, the Archibald radiator in either a chrome or colour finishes. Ripples and Bisque have been working closely together for over 15 years now. Bisque is displayed in all of our Ripples showrooms across the country. They're always up to date with trends and working closely with us to make sure we can always offer our clients the most up-to-date products. I love working with Bisque. They are a great company. They offer us so many fantastic designs and I look forward to working with them in the future to create some fantastic bathrooms.